say I've been heartless, I've been using my heartless. I don't know where it started, like I'm losing a part of me. Tears keep falling, rest in peace to the lost ones. I know this can't be ordinary, I was taught that the modern marriage. So why do you keep on taking all the people I love from me? And why do you make it seem like you wasn't the one for me? I had to learn how to run from it. Why did you never say nothing to me? I learned to deal with pain all too well, but you made me change the way that I felt. Fight for your love, I'm saved by the bell.